We're here at the looking at the AC unit. I pulled the capacitor off the wires here. So I'm going to show you the test. The capacitor is completely dead, so that's probably the problem. It was kind of just humming. The motor compressor was humming when it turned on, so that's probably the capacitor. More than likely that's what it is. So we'll test that. We'll replace that first and see how we do. All right, so we'll just put that cover back on for now, and we're going to test the capacitor. All right, so here's the capacitor pulled here. It's a dual 35.5 microfarad rating. So what we will do is just short them across, make sure it's discharged, which I'm sure it is because this thing's probably fried and it can't hold a charge anyway. But just for the sake of it, so what we'll do now, we got the common here, which is the 4-prong Herm. It's 2, and then we've got 1 for the fan. All right, so what we want to do is measure between common and Herm. Okay, touching the leads on there. The reading we're getting is 73.2 nanofarads. It's supposed to be 35 microfarads. That's dead. Okay, then check the fan side. Fan side, but still in the nanofarads, 0.9, 10, almost 1 nanofarad. Yeah, it's nothing. All right, so referring to the picture that I took of the original wiring here, and looking at the old configuration and comparing the fan, Herm, and common sections of the capacitor, we just lined that straight up with this one as well, the same configuration. Okay. On this one, they kind of have the common in a different position on this, so you have to just make sure that those line up, you know, with your picture and stuff. But that is the right way to do that. All right, so we're gonna put it back in and lock this down. All right, we got the new capacitor installed, so now we're gonna go ahead and put this cover back on. Fixed. That capacitor did the trick. Compressor came right on. It's working great. Sounds beautiful. So the AC is turned on and it's feeling, yeah, we got some cold air. We're doing good. Feels good. It's all set. It's all fixed.